Hey there, today we're checking out the Pickle and Olive Clipz Kids Fort Building Kit, perfect for creative playtime. This kit includes a giant 116 by 118-inch lightweight blanket and 8 plastic clips to easily attach to furniture. The blanket features 8 loops for quick setup, so there's no need to use household blankets or sheets anymore. It's made of durable, water-resistant parachute nylon with a soft, silky feel, great for indoor and outdoor fun. When playtime is over, the clips store neatly in an attached zipper bag, and the blanket folds into a convenient cinch bag. This kit is an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special celebration for kids. Let your children's imaginations run wild with easy and fun fort building. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.